All right, so if you want to buy a Solana project, because BNB is a blockchain, all right, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Binance, you've been hearing of Binance, is a blockchain, all right, it's a network on its own. Just like you have Airtel, you have MTN, the same way. Okay, so we also have Solana blockchain, Solana network, all right. So for us to buy on Solana, we're going to make use of Telegram because that is way faster for us. Okay. All right. I already have the link sent here, and of course, I'm also going to send us the link. All right. Okay. So this is it opening. You click on connect with Telegram. All right. So this is going to open. You click on start. Of course, I have read and accept the terms of use. And then you click on start. Okay. Now, what you need to do now, you can read through. You see, you can read through, and you're going to see that in the third paragraph, it's going to show you your contract, your wallet address. So for you to receive Solana, okay, let me just highlight it. Okay, this is, so you have to click for it to copy. So whoever that is going to send you Solana, that's the address you're going to send to him so that he will credit you with Solana. All right. Also, if you want to see the deposit address also, you can click on wallet. Of course, remember first of all, you can click on home page. Okay, and the home page comes up. Then you can click on wallet. All right, and you're gonna see the deposit address. So this is what you copy to. You can also copy the deposit address the first way I said you can. So it's the same address. All right, so you send it. So I'm going to send it to the person, and I'm going to get the equivalent now. All right, so I've got that sent to me. So quickly, I'm just going to check if it has arrived. I click on the menu at the left bottom and I click on home. Let's see. Okay, you see, we now have a 0.09 balance of Solana. Okay, and that is equivalent to about $20. Okay, now if you want to see the dollar value, I'm going to show you what to do. Okay, so you click on wallet, all right, and you're going to see export seed phrase. Okay, click on export seed phrase. Okay, you can see the warning. Just click I understand. All right, of course, I'm not going to use this wallet after today because many persons will watch it because your seed phrase has to be kept secret. Okay, so that is loading up. Okay, so you can either use option 1 or option 2, but I prefer to just easy peasy move on with option 1. That's the first option. Then all I want to do is I want to copy it, so I click on copy. Okay, I'm going to now download a phantom wallet from Play Store. Okay, I'm going to show you the name of the wallet so that you can search for it. So I can minimize here. All right, and remember, you can also store this up anywhere. You could either write it down. You could either write it down somewhere, or anyhow you want to store it, or you can store it electronically, which is not advised. It's not advisable, but you can write it down. even though you are storing it electronically, be sure that no one has access to any document where you're saving it except yourself. So we've already I have Phantom Wallet, but you can download from Play Store. Okay, so your interface may not be like this because already I have a wallet. This is not the first time I'm using this wallet. But no matter what appears, just you can click on create new. But what we are doing now is that we exported from the robot in Telegram and we want to import it here. So when you open your Phantom wallet the first time, you're going to see two options: create new wallet or import. Okay, or I already have wallet. Either import or I already have wallet. Click on I already have wallet or import, not the other one of create a new wallet. Don't click on that. All right. So, okay. So this is the option I'm looking for. All right. So just look for any similar option on your end since you're using it for the first time. So I click on it. Remember, I copied a secret phrase. So I'm just going to paste it here. And remember, I'm keeping this open because I'm not going to use this wallet after today. All right. So when you've clicked on it, you click on import. Okay. And that is currently loading up. So when you're done with that, you click on continue. Okay. And that is also loading up. So we're going to see the equivalent of, all right. You see, I told us that, remember we created a wallet and we created it from Telegram and we sent some Solana to it, but we couldn't see the value of the Solana. But right here, we can see the value of the Solana, all right? So we can see the value of the Solana. Any other project we buy, you're also going to see the value here. But we buy on Telegram, we just see the balance here. Okay, this gives you a better presentation here. Also, Solana blockchain also have DEX, decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap or KuCoin, which we use in Binance Smart Chain, BSC, BNB network. All right, but then because the bot works better and faster, that's why I won't be teaching you here. But I can give you the site. It's pretty the same way like what you used in what you did in KuCoin. It's equivalent, all right. But because it's faster using Telegram, that's why we are making use of both. Okay, I haven't imported here. We're going to go back to Telegram so I show you how to buy a project. There is a project I'm going to put out there. So I'm going to get the contract address and we'll be buying that on Telegram, all right? The same wallet, but different interface, okay? We're going to be using the bot on Telegram. So of course, we'll return back to Telegram. This is still right here, so we'll just click on the X to close. We can just close it or minimize it, all right? Okay. So already I've copied the contract address that like I said, every token, coin, has a contract address, just like an account number, all right? They have a contract address with which you can buy that particular project, okay? So please, I'm using project coin token interchangeably, all right? So when I've already copied it, when you paste it, you click on send. You see it displays the name. The name of the token is the Petros token. All right, the market capitalization. Of course, I'm going to teach you guys later on market cap, what it means. Okay, so that's the current market capitalization. That's like the worth or the value, the total value. For instance, we have 200 persons holding it. Okay, maybe one person bought with $10,000, the other one bought with $2,000, the other one $5. The total sum of all the money, okay, that's the total capitalization, total value of it. So it's currently at 464,000 US dollars. All right. So you click on buy X Sol. All right, let me highlight that again. Oh, sorry. Okay, click on buy X. So, all right. Remember, this comes out immediately after you impute the contract address. All right. So, okay, let me just do that again. I impute the contract address. Okay, it comes out and I click on buy X. So that means the equivalent. So I have 0.09. So I'm going to keep some for my charges. So I'll buy with 0.07 Solana. So the rest can be there for my charge. So I click on send and immediately I've bought. So you can see right here now that I have the Petros token. It's currently at 479 market cap, but I have $14 worth of it. That's the equivalent of 0.07. But you can see that the collected charge. So what I'm having as my Solana there is 0.069, but I imputed 0.07. So we usually leave very little charge, but it's good you leave that. So I could have actually bought with 0.08. Okay, so take note. Also, you can just click on home to have a clean, clear interface. Okay, so you can see that the Petros we have is worth around $13 now, because you know market is going up and down, all right? And then but we still have money in the wallet, so that's why it's showing you balance 0.02. So the total, our net worth is $19. So meaning 19 minus, while we have 13 in a project, the other one is left for charges. Okay. Okay, so we have about $5 worth of Solana left. Okay. All right, so that will be all. So we'll just monitor it here. And yes, let me show you how to sell. Okay, how to sell. So you click on sell and manage. Sell and manage. So click on sell and manage. So it displays that, and you're going to see sell 100% or sell X%. Or is that, yeah, sell 100% or sell X%. Okay, so when you say sell 100%, it's going to sell everything. But when you say sell X%, you're going to choose the percentage. If you want to sell 60%, 50% rather, so that means you are selling half of what you bought with. So let's assume I say X%, so I can say sell 50%, sell 10%, sell any percentage. So let me click on sell. So you're going to see it has sold. All right, we bought with around $13 or $14. Okay, initially we bought with $13, I believe. Okay, 13.9. All right, and currently now we've sold and we now have $7 left. Now the figures may not be very steady because the market is going up and down, so you're going to find little dollar cents difference. Instead of it to be 6.9, you can find it being $7. All right, but let that not confuse. So we've sold. So this is how to buy and sell on the Solana blockchain, okay, using the Bonkbot. All right, so let's go back to Solana. Let's go back to the wallet, which presents it better. You can see now. All right, you can see. So this is the Petros token showing, and this is Solana, the currency we are using to buy. Okay, so that's simply how to buy and sell on the Solana blockchain.